Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to use Python to create a sentiment analysis tool with a graphical user interface. So basically, if you create any program in Python, you get a bland command line experience. But in this video, we are going to use a package named the Streamlit to make a graphical user interface for a Python program. Now, what is sentiment analysis? Sentiment analysis is a tool in which you give it a sentence and it analyzes the sentiment, whether it is neutral, it's positive or negative. It is especially useful. Suppose if you are a retailer who has an online website in which you sell products and you are getting reviews for your products. Now there are many reviews. Now you want to filter out the reviews which are negative. So you will use this program to filter the reviews which are negative, and then you can search for all those negative comments in which there are any useful advice. For example, you have sorted down all the negative comments using this program, and after that you're searching all those, reading all those negative comments to see if it has any valuable feedback to improve your product. So it always helps us in reviews. For example, you have a movie review and you also have reviews, you can use this program. You have a YouTube video, it has comments, you can use this program. So anything with text you can use this program with. So now moving on to the programming part. So first of all, we are going to install a package named Streamlit. So first of all, you have to use the command pip install Streamlit to install your package. After that, we are going to import our package known as Streamlit. So we will use the command import Streamlit as st. And after that, for our sentiment analysis, there is a package named TextBlob. So we are importing the TextBlob package as well. After we have imported these two packages, we can now move forward. Now for a graphical user interface. To display a greeting message, we are using .title function from the Streamlit package to display this message when the user opens the GUI. So whenever the user will run the program, a Chrome window will open up and then this message will be displayed first. Sentiment analysis tool. So we are now, you can say we are now designing the UI in a graphical user interface. So this is the title. Now we have to accept the message from the user. So we are creating another variable named message from which we are accepting the text from the user. Here you can see we have written please enter the text. So in the UI the user will see it is written please enter the text, and below please enter the text there is a text box, and the user can enter his text there. Here you can see the program is executing and we got our web address for our graphical user interface. Here automatically a Firefox tab has been opened up. So now the UI that I was talking about, the sentiment analysis tool that we programmed to display and please enter the text to accept the text, all that UI that we configured in our program is now we can see all that UI in here. So now we are going to give it a sample text. First I am going to start with a simple string so that I can explain to you what is subjectivity and polarity. So now I am going to type I love this movie and click on analyze. Here you can see I love this movie is a positive statement. So the the polarity is like a parameter which tells you about the sentiment. The polarity ranges from -1 to 1, with 0 being neutral. The more the polarity is towards 1, the more the message is positive. The more the polarity is towards -1, the more the message is negative. So here we get a polarity of 0.5, by which we know this message is positive because it's towards 1, and we know that because this message is positive. And next is subjectivity. So subjectivity values range from 0 to 1, and more the subjectivity value is towards 1, more it means that it's public opinion based. See, I have said I love this movie and this is my opinion. So the our text block packages has understood that it's opinion based, so it's 0.6. So it's more opinion based. And if I write a positive statement which is not opinion based, which is a fact, then the subjectivity will be close to 0. So now I'm going to give it another statement which would be a fact. So here I have pasted Instagram is owned by Facebook. So now we will click on analyze. Here we can see the polarity is 0.0 because it's a neutral statement, and I don't have any opinion in this statement, so the subjectivity is 0 because there is no opinions involved, there are only facts. So more there is opinion, more is the subjectivity, less is the public opinion, and less is the subjectivity. So in this video I explained to you how you can create a GUI and how to create a sentiment analysis tool. So that's it for this video, and thanks for watching.